people you are seeing on your screen, this one, this one, this one, this one, and many others are using Ellyx platform to make for themselves money. Now, if you don't know Ellyx, Ellyx is a P2P platform which people are using to buy and sell cryptocurrency. So if they're using it to buy and sell cryptocurrency, what are you going to do with this? Now, it is very simple that for you are going to be among these people who are buying and selling cryptocurrency. Your work is going to be, one is that you are going to buy cryptocurrency at a cheaper price and you sell at a higher price. Now, the difference you make in between is your profits. The difference is your profits. That's as simple as that. The business is very clear. So what is the work of Ellyx for you? The work of Ellyx, which is this very platform you are seeing, its job is going to give you, the Ellyx is just going to give you a platform that you are going to use, a platform that you're going to use, to get customers. You're going to get customers from this platform. Customers are going to come and be buying from you or selling to you their cryptocurrency, and your job is just to list your cryptocurrency. Your job is just to list how much your cryptocurrency you have or how much you want to buy, and then what you are going to also be doing is to monitor your trades, and the next thing is to make money or make profits. That's the only thing. Otherwise, I'm going to be showing you in this group, in this very video, what you are going to be doing, how you are going to list it, how you are going to monitor it, and how you are going to make money from this platform. So just buckle up and let's go with this. Now, the first thing is that when you check on the Ellyx platform, when you check down here, you're going to see this is wallet, this is exchange, this is support, this is profile. The platform is so smooth. When you try clicking, when I click on exchange, that's the amount of money I have. You see how smooth. When I click on wallet, that's the amount of money I have in the wallet. Exchange, you can see how smooth it is. Support, you can see how smooth these pages change among themselves. This is my profile, and my profile is fully verified. When you click on profile, you can see this is my profile, and it is fully verified. So you can come, you just have check the link in the description below, open up your account and verify it. If you don't know how to open up your account or to start with it, then I have a link in the description below of a video that is going to show you how to open up your account and verify your account. Otherwise, if you check on this platform here, when you check, you're going to click down here on exchange. You're going to come on and click on exchange. Now when you click on exchange, of course you're going to come here and see people have already made their offers. You're going to be among these people who are making business on this very platform after watching this video. Now up here is what you are seeing. Up here is your account balance, and you can see here it's saying create new offer. So when they say create new offers, the offer that you create is a listing that you are going to be listing here. Now when you click on sell here, you can see that these people are having also, if you want, for example, to sell your crypto, if for me I want to withdraw, I want to sell my crypto, I will click on sell here, and any of these people will serve me. And if I want to buy, I click on buy, and any of these people can serve me, or I can buy from any of these people. But for you as a business person, you are going to be listing yourself among these people so that you can also make money as they are also doing. You can also start your own business as they are also doing. So how do you do that step by step? The first thing is you're going to click on offer. When you click on offer, you need to know which offer are you going to provide. Are you going to be buying cryptocurrency, or you are going to be selling cryptocurrency? Now this depends on what you are having. If you're having both crypto, maybe you have crypto on your account and you also have Ugandan shillings, or you have local currency, then you can create both offers. You can create a buy offer and you can create a sell offer. But if you only have cryptocurrency, it means you are going to sell that cryptocurrency to the local currency. So you're going to create a sell offer. But if you only have local currency, if you only have the local currency, and you want to get USDT, you want to get crypto, what you're going to do is you're going to buy. I hope you understand the difference. As a business person, it is what you have, we are exchanging. What you have, you exchange it to what you don't have. Where our money comes from is in the difference between the buy and the sell, meaning you buy low and sell high. The difference is our money or our profits. That's our profits. I hope you understand this logic clearly. So let's do it. You click on new offer. I'm going to click on new offer. When I click on new offer, this opens, and then when this opens, you can see, do I want to buy or I want to sell? So in this case, I'm going to try buy. putting a sell offer. Why? Because I have some cryptocurrency on my platform. So I'm going to put in the amount here of the cryptocurrency that I want to sell. For example, if I want to sell only $100 of cryptocurrency, I write here, I want to sell 100. I want to only sell 100. I write it there. I want to sell 100 worth of cryptocurrency. Now it is going to ask me, at what price are you going to sell this cryptocurrency of yours? Remember, we are setting our own price because this is our own business. So I'm going to first of all remove all this. So I'm going to remove all this and set my own price. So my own price, I'm going to set it to be, let's say 3,850. That's the amount I'm selling in. So what you see down here, when you write your price, your own price, you are going to see that this has selected Ugandan currency. What you should know, this platform is not only working in Uganda, it is working also in other countries. That's why when you click on this go down arrow, you can see so many other countries, like Tanzania is also here, so many other countries that are listed here. So I will not go to other countries because I'm in the country Uganda. That's why I've selected the Ugandan currency here. So the thing is that the minimum amount you can trade on this for now is this, meaning like the minimum amount you can sell or buy on this platform is $5. That's why it is showing that the limit from the downside is 19,250 for this price of mine. But now you can now see it here. You can now see it well clearly said over here down there that the minimum amount of this exchange is only $5. Now what is the maximum? This maximum here is set by the amount you want to buy. You understand? Amount you want to sell, I mean. I want to sell this as my maximum, this because I'm selling. So this one is already set by the company at $5. I think maybe if it is to be changed, it is the company that changes it. That's the minimum. But the maximum, it is you who has set it up here. The amount of money you have set, when you multiply with the price you are selling, the amount and the price, you find that this is the maximum amount that you are selling at. So if you have confirmed all those things, what you are going to do is to click on continue here. You are going to come and click on continue if you have verified this other information. So I'm going to click on continue, and when I click on continue, it brings me to this platform here. Now on this platform, you can see that you set the time limit for your offer. Time limit for the offer means that how long are you going to take to do that transaction if a client click on your offer. So right now we have the time limit set at 30 minutes, meaning after 30 minutes, if a client doesn't make the sale go through, then it means I'm going to leave, or the transaction should be cancelled. After doing that, then you are going to, after confirming that, you are going to come down here and add a payment method. As you are doing business, you need to add a payment method. So I'm going to click on add a payment method, and I'm going to choose a payment method. Which payment method am I going to choose? I'm going to choose a payment method that is in Uganda. So in Uganda we use mobile money, so I can choose either MTN mobile money or, so let me scroll through all these and see which one is Ugandan. In Uganda, we use mobile money, and all these other ones are platforms that are being used by different people who are selling and buying on this very platform. But now for us, we have mobile money that we are looking for. Either Airtel or MTN is how we are going to be transacting on this very platform. So let me look for it, or I can even search here, more. Yes, this is MTN mobile money. You can see it over here. I can click on MTN mobile money. After clicking on it, it is going to ask me what is the holder's number. Now let me write holder's number here. Okay, let me write this very number. Okay, really? Okay, that's the number I've written. And then the number, actually this is also my WhatsApp number. If you want to reach out to me directly, you can reach on WhatsApp, not on calls. Okay, that's the number. Then I click on add payment method. Now I have successfully added a payment method. I have successfully added what? A payment method successful. So I click on done. I'm going to click on done. When I click on done, the payment method has been successfully added. So this is the payment method that has been successfully added here. So you need to click here to make sure that your payment method for this particular offer is selected. So I'm going to click there and it is selected. Then after that, it is going to tell me to continue. So you click on continue. When you click on continue, your offer is going to look like this. What you need to look at the summary of your offer. What is telling me is that I am selling USDT. It is trying to confirm that you are selling USDT with Ugandan shillings. That I want to sell USDT and get what? Ugandan shillings. This is the exchange. But the price I'm selling at is 3,850. Now, because I'm doing business, maybe for me, you don't know, maybe for me, I bought at 3,715. 3,715. Maybe this is the price that I bought at. I bought at how much? Let me see. Maybe I bought at 3,700. 3,750. Maybe I bought at 3,750. So the difference that I have is around 100. The difference I have is 100. For every 1 USDT, I'm making a profit of 100. So it means that if I sell all that, it means like I'm selling USDT to get Ugandan shillings at this amount of money. The balance I have, because I only want to sell 100, it means the balance I have is 100 USDT. The limit, if someone wants to buy, the minimum price is going to buy from me is 19,250, and the maximum is 385,000 Ugandan shillings. This one here. So the time for payment, if you click on my offer, I only give you 30 minutes to complete payment before I release my crypto. And the payment method is going to be shown to you once you click on my offer. It's going to use MTN Momo. So after me confirming all that, I click on create an offer. When you click on create an offer, the offer is already created. Now this is the what? This is the offer. And I think you can see that once you click on create an offer, the available balance in my wallet that I can withdraw or use to do other things, it is only $75. This is now in offers. It is locked, meaning I cannot steal you, or even if you are buying from platform, you cannot be stolen. Why? Because once someone creates that is selling crypto, that crypto is selling gets locked in. Like here is now locked in offers, and this offer is here that I've created is what is active. You get it? This is my offer. It is active. So that's how you create offers on this very platform. As you can see, my offer is among the offers that have been here or that are active here. This is my offer, and people can come and buy from me. So that's how you also do it step by step. You buy cheaply. When you are creating an offer for you make sure you buy at a cheaper price, and when you're selling, you sell at a higher price. You'll be providing liquidity to people on this platform. That's how you make your money. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification button. Also check in the link. The first link in the description below is the link that makes you to open an account with this platform and start using it. It is the fastest P2P exchange platform that I've seen, and it's going to help each and everyone, both the people who are selling and the people who are buying on the platform. Let's solve the problem of crypto liquidity together. Thank you.